Bad dog.
If that's the worst that he eats, I can live with that.
It's white meat. It's the
No,
other white meat.
It's food. Usually he cooked out Lego yesterday. It's disgusting.
He did what?
He pooped a Lego out yesterday, a yellow one. And not just one, but actually a few of them.
This is definitely dog heaven here. What do you think, Max?
Did you get a picture of that, Chuck?
Yeah, I got pictures. I got
Look at his
video now.
eyeballs looking at it.
There's a big bone, buddy.
I think he'll choke if he eats that, don't you think?
Yeah.
Oh, he's so gentle.
It's a good standing dog. What a good doggy
He's
dog.
funny.
Out of the garbage.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's hilarious. He looks like a bunny rabbit.
He looks like the cat.
He's like the
He's full, I think. This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
He's just
standing there.
He's so good balance.
Not a good doggy dog. Yeah. So good. So little. Had a good dinner. I'm gonna check the other side. Everything's downhill from here, buddy.
Dolphins? The Cowboys.
There's your cousin Joe, Aunt Christy, JP. And he's back.
We got him on the leash for a while. We're going to put him outside. Watch how he stands.
Oh, he doesn't know whether it's okay.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. He's like a kangaroo, isn't he?
It's almost like he knows that one time he got up one there and overturned the can or something, and
He's very
he
delicate.
knows not to do it.
Do you want to put him out on the leash?
Yeah. More wine, Randa?
Sure.
All right, everybody.
Oh,
This is a great and happy Thanksgiving for everybody,
happy
including the dog.
2011 Thanksgiving.
There's Grandma. Bye, puppy.